Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
And if today is your first time here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get ready for today's adventure. Let's go.
Over for a gift. I put diamonds on your wrist. I can't buy your loving. It's never enough. I took that girl on a trip, cause we was arguing. Ever since we stopped touching, we're not in touch. I know money can't buy your love. I guess I didn't try hard enough. But we could work this like a 9 to 5. Mama told me stop play all the games. Steady throwing dollars, expecting change. But every war ends the same. Can we just make love, not war? Oh, can we just make love, not war? Oh, I solve my problems with a check. Now I'm paying for it. You wanted nothing, nothing but love. I can't lie, I'm a mess. I'm too jealous, yeah.
What are you eating?
Eating ice cream, chocolate ice cream with chocolate sauce and coconut.
And coconut? Nice.
It's so hard to trust you when I don't trust myself. I know money can't buy your love. I guess I didn't try hard enough. But we could work this like a 9 to 5. Mama told me stop play all the games. Steady throwing dollars, expecting change. But every war ends the same. Can we just make love, not war?
So as you guys saw, we have been hanging around downtown Orlando today, and we already had our brunch. I have my dessert, and now we're heading to the Swan water bikes because Valeria have been wanting to do that for a long time now, and we're gonna see how it goes. Let's see. On our way to the Swan water bikes, we ran into a small production of Little Shop of Horrors, so we're catching it right now. We might not even do the Swan thing because of the wind. Apparently it's too windy, but we'll see. Look at this.
Skirt on your body, performing just.
So because we couldn't do the Swan water bikes, we decided to come to battle. We're gonna do axe throwing. Ready to win, right?
We'll see.
It's like my Rari, you're too fine, need a ticket. I bet you taste expensive. Pouring up about a liter. If you keeping up, you should keep it. Tequila and vodka, girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay now. You can see it in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move.
Wait. So I call black, right? We got it. Okay, just making sure. Now it's her turn, and she gotta hit black. think that Valeria is really bad at this game.
Yeah, this like isn't for me, but I'll keep trying. I'm gonna try my best.
Alright.
Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing.
Like da 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 da
Pull up skirt on your body. It's just us two in this party. That Louis, that Prada looks so much better off you. Turn me up.
Green. No le diste caso. He is cheating. Just so you know, Ricky is cheating.
How?
That's not on green.
Where is it at?
It's not on green. It's on top of green. That barely
No,
touched it.
it's touching
That's
it.
not it.
It's touching it.
Grab this.
It's touching it.
No.
You see. You guys told me. I think it's touching it because it caught the green right here. Valeria is a cheater, okay?
Me?
She doesn't want to lose. Look at. It's not touching the green. It caught the green. I'm too good.
Up, be my waitress. No, we not in love, so let's make it tequila and vodka. Girl, you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay now. You can see it in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. No dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing.
like da 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 da
If you know what I mean.
So that's it for today, guys. As you saw, there's a lot of things to do here in downtown Orlando. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.